how are you all? I hope you're having an amazing day and you'll have an amazing week. Today I am going to be doing this turban style, which was highly requested. On my Instagram page, I wore this when I went out with Nabiilabee to a play area, and I just wanted to look a little bit glam. And this scarf I did get from Zara. It's a perfect scarf for winter because it's a little bit thicker, but you can use anything, you can use any scarf, but make sure it's a little bit longer than your regular scarf so that you can wrap it around nicely. That's the only difference to a normal hijab. And because it's a bit thicker, it looks a bit bigger, so if you don't want it to look so big, you can use a thinner scarf. And yeah, so if you want to see how I created this style, then keep on watching. I've just put my undercap on. This is what it looks like. I love these. And then you just get a scarf like this. And when I do this style, I really like scarves like this that are just like a plain weave and no prints and just like super plain and simple. And then because this has a rough edge here, I'm gonna bring that forward and then have it like this, have one pretty short side like that and the rest long. Then you just bring everything forward like this and just have it like that. Then you're left with this and you want to tuck that in, and then you flip these two over like this and you just literally place it exactly like that. And then I like to just even out the layers, put that down flat and tuck it at the back of your scarf. I don't like doing it tight because it can hurt your head. Now with this, you're just left like this, and there's so much you can do with this bit. You can just leave it like this. If you want, you can twist it and leave it like that, which I also like to do. But the style I got requested was everything was just tucked away nicely, so I like to open this and just create nice pleats like that. And then you've got this bit, and then once again just sort it out. I like to tuck whatever needs to be tucked in, so this, and then once again just create nice pleats, wrap it over. And now I just like to push that down so the volume is not like insane, because you don't want to look like you have a massive head. And then you're left with this bit. Once again, you can leave it like this. I love it. I think it looks so nice. Just put a pin in, like a long pin here, and it's super nice. But what I did was I just grabbed that, flattened it out a bit more, brought it round, and I just tucked it, because I had already tucked it in, I had no space, so I just tucked it in there. We are done. Super easy and simple. I just like to frame this around my face a little bit nicer, sort out the pleats a little bit here like this so that they're just neater, and you are done. It's super easy and simple. I absolutely love this turban style right now because I was a little bit bored of some of the other styles, and the pleats and everything just makes it look a little bit more dressed up and a little bit different from your everyday turban style. And this is it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I hope it's easy to follow. It was highly requested, so I thought, you know, why not? Oh, and then you can just add a bit of jewelry that you can just make the outfit look a little bit more wow, nicer. Just a little bit of statement pieces is always cute. And yeah, there we go. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a follow if you're not already following, and I shall see you in my next post or video. Bye guys.